Hi, this is Karen with WTI. I have always wanted to do juicing in my life since it's a healthy habit. But sometimes it's hard when you don't find the right device. But this Breville juicer has been a really big help for me. I can do orange juice, I can do carrot juice, I can even put a whole apple in the juicer and it will take it easily with no problem. In a matter of minutes, I can have a really healthy juice of vegetables or fruits or a mix of them. And the motor is super fast and strong. And one of the things that I like is that I can take the foam away. If something that I don't like about my juice is the foam. Look at that juice. Isn't that great? And it's super easy to assemble and also super easy to clean. It took me only like a couple of minutes to remove all the little pieces of the fruits. And that's my point of view.